2011 Margaret Brent Special Award recipient, the Right Honorable Beverley McLachlin. It takes a unique person to be the first of anything, and Beverley McLachlin, who became the first woman Chief Justice of Canada, has been described as having a passion for the law like a fire that would burn through a pouring rain. But the Chief Justice admits she began her legal career by accident. Following her undergraduate studies in philosophy, she wrote a letter to the Faculty of Law at the University of Alberta to make inquiries about the program. The reply letter stated that she was accepted, and by 1968 she had earned both a master's degree in philosophy and a law degree, graduating at the top of her class. Raised on a ranch and sawmill in Pincher Creek, Alberta, Chief Justice McLachlin learned the value of hard work. After practicing law with various law firms from 1969 to 1974, she accepted a position with the University of British Columbia Faculty of Law. For 7 years, Chief Justice McLachlin taught a variety of courses until her judicial career began in 1981 with an appointment as judge of the Vancouver County Court. Her rise to the highest court was nothing short of meteoric. 6 months after her first appointment, she was named to the British Columbia Supreme Court, and 7 years later was named the Chief Justice of the British Columbia Supreme Court. After 1 year at that post, she was appointed to the Supreme Court of Canada in 1989 and made history on January 7, 2000 by becoming Canada's first female Chief Justice. As Chief Justice, Beverley McLachlin presides over the most gender-balanced national high court in the world, where 4 of the 9 justices are women. A prolific author of opinions, she is a fierce believer in social rights and is proud that under her watch, the court has become increasingly collegial with a high degree of unanimity on their judgments. Incredibly energetic, as Chief Justice, Beverley McLachlin is also responsible for chairing the Canadian Judicial Council, the Board of Governors of the National Judicial Institute, and the Advisory Council of the Order of Canada. Other responsibilities include filling in for the Governor-General to give royal assent to bills passed by Parliament and receiving credentials from new ambassadors and high commissioners. She is the public face of the court and represents the judiciary at home and abroad.
The fact that I am in this seat today is more than anything else a testament to the justice of Canadian society. A society where people without money or connections or the usual gender for a certain job will be allowed to do it, and having done it, will be allowed to succeed.
Chief Justice Beverley McLachlin is dynamic and blunt, yet intelligent and gentle. A former executive legal officer of the Supreme Court has said of her, "If she thinks you are wrong in a legal argument, she would happily throw you through a plate glass window. But her humanity is such, she'll step through after and brush the glass off your shoulders." Future judges and chief justices will be measured on a scale of 1 to McLachlin. With 11 years under her belt and possibly another 7 left, she is often asked about her legacy on the bench. She says, "Only time will tell the lasting value of my work as a judge. My goals are simple: be the best judge and chief justice I can be. My ultimate goal is to do what I can to make the justice system work for Canadian men, women, and children, to ensure access to justice in the fullest sense of the word." For this reason, the American Bar Association Commission on Women in the Profession is proud to present the 2011 Margaret Brent Women Lawyers of Achievement Special Award to the Right Honorable Beverley McLachlin.